Yo, what's going on? My name is Dr. James Utley, your resident codebreaker data scraper. And what I learned is the YouTube algorithm loves for me to teach you about the tools I use in AI engineering. By the way, I heard AI, calling yourself an AI engineer is like a signal for scamming. So I'm going to go with researcher. I am certified as an AI engineer, but I'm going to go with researcher. So I'm your resident AI researcher, Codebreaker Data Scraper, and let's get into my favorite CLI tool. So, all you Claude Code folks out there, I like the good old Charm, just because I started using it and it's different than Claude Code. So, I'm okay with that. And look at this wonderful website. It's just full of action here, but that's where we're going to start. So, Crush. Did I call it Charm? Crush is what I use. Crush is by Charm, and I'm here to crush it. So anyway, remember your first crush. This is the beautiful website at charm.land. Gotta love it. And it is your new coding bestie. It is your CLI AI coding agent. It looks beautiful, and we'll get into it. So, but I'm here to teach you about it. If you never used it before, it's an open source tool, and it's available for Mac OS, Linux, Windows, and BSD or free BSD, which Mac is built on, or the Mac OS is built on. All right. Anyways, they have other cool things here, which I'm not, bubble tea component toolkit, like which I'm just not familiar with. There's a lot of cool stuff. Machine learning has a lot of mods, a CLI's interface to the world's best models, AIs to get a whole lot weirder. Oh, you know what? I don't know about this. This is like all new to me. I will check it out. Skate, personal key value store for simple, powerful command line user interface. Sometimes keys, values, and pipes in a shell is all you need to live your life. Skate on, fools. Industrial grade, we love open source. Indeed, I love it also. And Charm operates fully distributed in the United States, Brazil, Canada, Kosovo, and Sweden. All right. Well, anyways, that's the Charm team. Yeah, they got Discord, Slack. Follow them on X, whatever you got to do. All right. But while we're here, I use the old crush. Let's crush it. I'm moving into this. It should take you to the GitHub repo. This is all you need. This is all you need to crush it. And, start at the README file, just like anything. Start at the README file. You see this beautiful UI. That's what I like about it. I've always been kind of a big fan of this UI. It's amazing. If you really want to crush it, use this guy. I usually pipe in, as I mentioned before, that GLM 4.6 model. Works wonderfully on this. But yeah, you can run it from your home directory, another folder, or whatever. It can write files, read write files, all the tool calls, everything that you need for a really robust CLI. And the key commands are really familiar. And maybe they're just familiar because I use it a lot now. But so between this, and you can see that the cool part is like this processing has this weird like little window here that's like real cyberpunky type. Anyway, I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay, let's get back to this, which goes through all the features here. It's more, multimodal, wide range of LLMs that you can pipe in for API calls, meaning you can use them via your own API key. Works everywhere. There's like a lot of MCP extensions and MPC servers you can do, and you see all this. And see, it has all of this right here. So I would I will toggle between the Google Gemini. I have used some Grok API keys, like really fast inference, but anyway, there's more to this. Check out this README file. Here's the MCP server format here. It supports MCP servers in three transport types, and here they be. And so that's all you can run it. Now, I guess this is all the goods here. GitHub Copilot, Claude, but let's go to the top. Sorry to make you sick. I'm not trying to make you sick because it's scrolling so fast. But let's see. It's really easy to install. Right here. So if you're on Mac OS, the homebrew, or here you can install through npm, Nix, some Yay if you're an Arch user, which I'm Omarchy. I'm an Omarchy convert. So shout out DHH. You can't say Omarchy without saying shout out DHH. And I'll probably do that for another video. But anyway, it's really simple to install. Good old Crush. So just remember that Crush is a CLI tool by Charm. And if you always want to remember your first crush or the first time you crushed it, but check it out. It's a cool tool. I've been using it for, I don't know, maybe like 4 or 5 months now. And so that, and then like a code assistant IDE like Cursor or whatever you use, seems to be kind of like the kind of the perfect combo, and you can develop really quick. Anyway, have fun crushing it. And again, my name is Dr. James Utley, your Codebreaker Data Scraper. And until next time, peace.